Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're making a DIY moisturizer that helps lighten skin tone, reduce pigmentation, and deeply hydrate. And the best part? It's made with ingredients you probably already have at home, so let's jump right in. Segment 1, Benefits of DIY Moisturizer. Before we start, let's quickly go over why this DIY moisturizer is so effective. Display key benefits on screen while explaining. Aloe vera gel, soothes skin, reduces dark spots, and deeply hydrates. Almond oil, rich in vitamin E, lightens dark spots, and nourishes skin. Lemon juice, natural bleaching agent, but must be used in moderation. Honey, antibacterial, moisturizing, and enhances skin glow. Rose water, refreshes and tones the skin. Segment 2, Ingredients and Preparation. Now, let's gather everything we need. Here's what you'll need for this amazing DIY moisturizer. 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. 1 teaspoon almond oil. Half a teaspoon lemon juice, or avoid if you have sensitive skin. 1 teaspoon honey. 2 tablespoons rose water. Alright, let's start mixing. Step-by-step visuals of adding each ingredient into a clean bowl and mixing well. Once mixed well, transfer it into an airtight container. This can be stored in the fridge for up to 1 week. Segment 3, How to apply. Now that our moisturizer is ready, let's talk about how to apply it for best results. Make sure your skin is clean and dry. Take a small amount and gently massage it in circular motions on your face and neck. Use this every night before sleeping for the best results. If applying during the day, don't forget sunscreen. Segment 4, Precautions and Tips. While this moisturizer is packed with benefits, here are a few things to keep in mind. Always do a patch test before applying it to your face. If you have sensitive skin, skip the lemon juice. Consistency is key. Use it regularly for noticeable results. Always apply sunscreen during the daytime to prevent darkening. Your DIY moisturizer for naturally glowing and brighter skin is ready. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. And of course, subscribe for more amazing skincare tips. If you try this at home, let me know your results in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Stay glowing and stay beautiful.